Hello and welcome. My name is Vickie-Marie, and in this video I'm giving you 9 gift ideas for the yoga lover in your life. Now this video isn't sponsored. These gift ideas are things that I enjoy as a practitioner and as a teacher, and the yoga lover in your life may enjoy them as well. My first gift idea is a salt lamp. These can come in different sizes and weights and just add a lovely ambiance to anyone's environment. Gift idea number 2 is a yoga bolster. These can come in a microfiber or buckwheat and add to anyone's yin, restorative, or meditation practice. Gift idea number 3 is a yoga wheel. These can add to our flexibility and core strength, and just a little bit of fun to have around as well. Gift idea number 4 is a aromatherapy diffuser. And it's always lovely to add an essential oil that you may like. I personally like lavender, but you might like lemongrass or eucalyptus or any other scent. But that's always lovely to share with a yoga lover in your life. Fifth idea is our yoga dice. These are wooden die that have poses on all the sides, and the yoga practitioner in your life will just give them a little bit of a roll and come up with a flow that might suit them. Next gift idea are yoga bricks. These are always quite handy to have in regards to enhancing our practice and just bringing the earth a little bit closer with any of our flows. Next gift idea is a yoga strap. I personally recommend getting a thinner strap and a D-ring, just a little bit more versatile within anyone's practice. So I highly recommend the yoga strap as well. My 8th idea for a gift are yoga books. Now I like these 2 particular books. Again, this is not sponsored, but I really enjoy the Yin Yoga by Cassandra and Namaste by Yoga by Candace. These are lovely because they have picture-by-picture recommendations or instructions. So if you are having a home practice, they can just be really, really nice to have in someone's library. So again, that's the Yin Yoga and Namaste. And my final gift idea is a gift certificate. This could be for a one-to-one private session or a particular studio or an event that's coming up, but I'm sure any yoga lover in your life would love one of those. So I hope that helps with your gift ideas. As I said, this isn't sponsored. These are just things and items that I use within my home or within my practice and thought I'd share with you today. If you'd like to practice together, check out a few of my other videos. They vary in length from 5 to 60 minutes. Otherwise, I hope you have an amazing holiday season and I will see you again soon.